I am Uday Kumar, Department of Chemistry, King's College of Engineering, Punalkulam, Pudukkottai district. I am going to discuss about the topic of natural gas. Among that is compressed natural gas, CNG and LPG. So the fuels are three types, that is solid fuel, liquid fuel, gaseous fuel. Among this, we are going to discuss about the gaseous fuel. You know that the gaseous fuel is the most superior one in the calorific value, because the calorific value is more compared to other fuels like solid and liquid. So the natural gas is always found above the oil in the oil wells. It is also called moss gas. It consists of methane and other saturated hydrocarbon. Let us see the composition of the natural gas. Methane 88.5%, ethane 5.5%, propane 4%, butane 1.5%, pentane 0.5%. So this is the composition of the natural gas. The calorific value is nearly 12,000 to 14,000 kilocalorie for the natural gas. If natural gas contains lower hydrocarbons like methane and ethane, it is called a lean or dry gas. If the natural gas consists higher hydrocarbons like propane, butane along with methane, it is called a rich or wet gas. Uses of natural gas. It is used as a domestic and industrial fuel. It is used as a raw material for the manufacture of carbon block and hydrogen. It is also used for the generation of electricity by using it in fuel cells. Then we will see the compressed natural gas. CNG is called compressed natural gas. When the natural gas is compressed, it is called compressed natural gas. The primary component present in CNG is methane. It is mainly derived from natural gas. The natural gas can either be stored in a tank of vehicle as compressed natural gas at 3000 to 3600 psi, or as liquefied natural gas at typically 20 to 150 psi. Let us see the composition of the CNG. Methane is 88.5%, ethane 5.5%, propane 3.7%, butane 1.8%, pentane 0.5%. Properties. The CNG is the cheapest and cleanest and least environmentally impacting alternative fuel. This is very important. And second one, vehicles powered by CNG produce less carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon emission. Third one, it is less expensive than petrol and diesel. The ignition temperature of CNG is about 550 degrees centigrade. The fifth one, CNG requires more air for ignition. So this is the property of CNG. Uses. CNG is used to run an automobile vehicle just like LPG. This is more familiar in Karnataka, especially in Bangalore city. Advantages of CNG over LPG. The CNG is preferred because for the following advantages. CNG produces less pollutants than LPG. Second one, CNG is cheaper and cleaner than LPG. Third one, the octane rating of CNG is high, hence the thermal efficiency is more. Fourth one, it does not evolve sulfur and nitrogen gases. It mixes very easily with air than other gaseous fuels. Sixth one, noise level is much less than diesel. Seventh one, CNG vehicle limit 40% less of nitrogen oxide, 90% less of hydrocarbons, 25% less of carbon dioxide. So this is the uses of the CNG. Then we will see the liquefied petroleum gas, LPG. Already this is very familiar one because mostly we are using in the domestic purpose. It is obtained by byproduct during fractional distillation of crude petroleum oil or by cracking of heavy oil. It consists of propane and butane. It can be readily liquefied under pressure. So it can be economically stored and transported in cylinders. Let us see the composition of LPG. Here N-butane 38.5%, isobutane 37%, propane 24.5%. The calorific value is nearly 25,000 kilocalorie per meter cube. The uses of LPG is, it is used as a domestic and industrial fuel. It is also used as a motor fuel. Advantages of LPG over other gaseous fuel. LPG consists of hydrocarbon, so it burns cleanly without having any residue. Second, the LPG has higher calorific value than other gaseous fuel consisting of hydrogen or carbon monoxide. The calorific value is 7 times higher than coal gas and 3 times higher than natural gas. Third one, LPG is characterized by high thermal efficiency and heating rate. Fourth one, it is easy to manipulate. Fifth one, comparatively it is less heated hazard even in case of leakage. Sixth one, needs little care for maintenance. Seventh one, it is free from carbon monoxide, so it is less hazardous. Disadvantages of LPG over other gaseous fuel. Due to its faint odor, leakage cannot be easily detected. Its octane value is low. Handling must be done under high pressure. Fourth one, LPG is suitable only for the engines working under high compression ratio. Right, so you can understand both natural gases like CNG and LPG, their properties and uses. Thank you so much.